Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am Nishant. In today's video, we're gonna look at a mid-range budget gaming laptop from Asus. I've got this brand new Asus Tuf A15 laptop and I'm really excited to show you guys. This laptop comes in a lot of variants. The variant that we're gonna look at today is a Ryzen 5 with a GTX 1650 Ti model. So I just want to make one thing clear. We're not going to judge this laptop if this is a good laptop or a bad laptop. Instead, what we are going to do is we're going to check if this laptop is worth our money. So that is what we're going to do today. And also, before we look at that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click subscribe. Also click on the bell icon to get instant notification. So now that is done, without any further ado, let's switch over to the desk cam and start with the unboxing. So okay guys, so we have the Asus Tuf A15 with us. Let's not waste any time and quickly open the box. We have the laptop. For a moment, let's just keep this laptop aside and check what else do we have in the box. We have the user guide. Okay. We have the charging cable. Also, we have the charger brick. So this is a 150 watt charger brick, and we have a 48 watt battery inside this laptop. So we don't have anything else. Let's quickly open up the laptop. So this is the Asus Tuf A15 laptop. The model that we have here is a Fortress Gray. This comes with a metal lid. There's one more color, so that is a Bonfire Black, which is completely plastic. We have the Tuf logo in the front. Unfortunately, this does not light up, so that's okay, I guess. And we have the Tuf Gaming here. The total weight of this laptop is 2.3 kilogram, and also if you add the charger brick and the cable to it, we'll get a weight around 2.5 kilogram. Let's check the ports available. We have the charging port, we have the Ethernet port, also we have the HDMI and two USB 3.2 port, one Type-C port, and also 3.5 mm audio jack. On the left and on the right, we only have one USB 2.0 port. I don't know why do they still add this port. And also we have Kingston lock here. So that's pretty much it about the ports. For the air intake, Asus has gone with this beautiful honeycomb design, and also we have two stereo speakers. I gotta tell you about the sound quality of this laptop, guys, because I did not expect this quality. Compared to other laptops in this price range, this gives one of the best sound qualities. And also we have one air intake here and two fan exhausts. So that's pretty much it for the laptop. Let's open the laptop and check the inside. We have a beautiful black brushed finish inside, and Asus has gone for a full keyboard, so that's you can give a thumbs up for that. A standard chiclet keyboard and ASDW keys are highlighted. We have one zone RGB lighting. Okay. We have a little bit of screen flex. Also, when pushed hard, I can feel a little flex in the keyboard as well. We have the power button here, and also there's a small air intake here. We have the Windows Precision trackpad, and they have also gone for a manual click buttons for left. What I really like about this keyboard is the spacebar. The extended spacebar key really helps in the gaming. And what I don't like about the keyboard is the arrow keys. Very little, and it'll take some time for you to get used to these arrow keys. We have the Asus branding here, and also the Tuf Gaming branding. It is a 144 Hz 1080p display with an adaptive sync, and you have a 720p webcam. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the layout. Also, I can give you the specification. This laptop runs with a Ryzen 5 4000 series 4600H processor. This is a 6-core 12-thread processor, and also the GPU is powered by 4 gigs of GTX 1650 Ti. So, and also we have, like I said, the sound quality is powered by DTS-X Ultra, and also we have one zone RGB. So I will show you in the later part on the video. And for air exhaust, they have gone for the honeycomb design. You have 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM, which has a 32 MHz speed. We need to talk a lot more about the fans, but I'll give you a quick hint. These fans has a self-cleaning process in the turbo mode. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I think I've covered everything. Now let's go ahead and switch this on. So like I said, there's a 1-zone RGB. I would have really preferred it if they have gone for 2-zone RGB like that, but still this is pretty good. Now let's talk a little bit more about the RGB, because yes, we have 1-zone RGB, and there are already 4 preset lighting. We have this breathing preset RGB, and we have the strobing, we have the color cycle, and we have the static. And I gotta tell you, there are no sharp edges. So with this, during gaming you won't feel irritated. So that is one really good thing. And also, like I said, it has a 144 Hz adaptive sync display, which really feels smooth, and it has a response time of 3 milliseconds. Okay guys, now that you have seen the laptop, let's talk a little bit more about this. The first thing I want to talk about is the air inflow in this laptop. Okay, like I said, it has an air inflow right above the keyboard section, and also it has an air inflow here in the center, and also we have air inflow with this honeycomb design. Okay. The problem that I have here with this air inflow is it's not directly above the fan. So when we had asked Asus about this, they said they want the airflow to come in through other components as well, so that the other components also can be kept cool. So that is one thing. I would have wanted the air inflow to be directly above the fan. That's my personal opinion. And also we have 2 heat exhausts here. This makes the thermal pretty decent, but what we can do is we can just quickly open the backlit up and talk a little more about the battery and the upgradability, and also about the heatsink and fan. Okay, I've opened the backlit up now, and let's just quickly go through what's inside. We have a 48-hour battery, and we have 1 TB of hard disk, and we have 512 GB of M.2 NVMe SSD. We also have the fans here and also the heatsink. We have the speakers also. Let's talk about the upgradability here. So we can upgrade the hard disk, and you have 2 RAM slots, and currently we have 8 GB of RAM. You can upgrade it, and you can also upgrade your NVMe SSD. Okay, and the speakers are pretty decent, guys, because it has a DTS X Ultra sound quality, so that's pretty good. So that's it, guys. That's what we have inside this laptop, and I believe we have pretty much covered everything. So that's it, guys. That's a complete review on Asus Tuf A15. My take on the product is, yes, this laptop is value for our money. Okay, that is my takeaway in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are planning to get this laptop, hope you find this video useful. And if you enjoyed this, give a thumbs up, and also if you want your friends and families to know about this product, please do share this video. And if you guys have any questions about this laptop, put your comments down below. I'll be answering each and every one of them. I'll meet you soon with another video. Until then, Nishant signing off. Thank you for watching.